preparing the place where the jagulan will grow. Put in a couple of cones underneath. We already planted 2 of the 6, see if they can already survive outside. So this will be the place for the jagulan. Hello again. We prepared the garden for the spring. We put new sand on top of this. We didn't pull out the other thing, we just put new sand on top for the tomatoes. This one is also for the tomatoes. Needs a little bit sand on top because it went down. The tomatoes are now growing inside. That's for the wood. This is the garden now. We had to make a fence for the dog. It looks very nice also. Everything's standing. Basalt tower. Put in the pyramids. Put in a sort of a fence for the climbing plants. There the jagulan will stand. Everything is ready. We installed the system so we can spray it. Tomorrow I will do the composting again. So here the magic will happen, hopefully this year. I'm pretty sure. Then we have here, we collect the water from this roof. Go in here. You can use the pump. There, here. Compost is brewing. Will be ready tomorrow. I will throw it in here, add some water, and spray it automatically. Summer we have a timer. So that's the update on the garden. I will make some new updates when the plants actually come in. In the middle we grow garlic. You can already see a couple of garlics coming out. I'm curious this year what will happen. Have a good day everybody.